After a hectic day's work, Neeta shuts down her laptop and remembers that her daily call to her parents is due. She calls them every day as she couldn't fly down to India in the last 2 years. She picks up her phone and calls her parents, but there was no answer. She keeps on calling them, and after a few calls, she takes help from her husband Ram, who calls up a friend in Hyderabad, the same city in which his in laws live. After 10 to 12 unanswered calls, Neeta panics and starts crying. If you were Neeta, what would you have done? Have you not dearly wished that there was someone to take care of your parents back home? Have you not wondered that if there was a way to know what was happening to them? Now you can, with the help of Progeny. With growing population in India, the demand for livelihood has gone up. People migrate for better career prospects and parents are left behind. With the improved medical facility, the life expectancy has also gone up in the last few years. For elderly people in India who are 60 plus and staying alone, Progeny is a holistic solution that marries elder care services enabled through latest technologies with empathetic human interface. In the idea conceptualization stage, providing companionship and GPS-enabled band were just two of the offerings, but in the last 2 months, with various customer validations and market research, these two has emerged as the main focus areas of Progeny along with the other services. I'm Sharbani, the founder of Progeny. I could connect with a team of freelancers from IIT Kharagpur to develop the wearable device, which will be GPS-enabled, and it will also be an auto emergency tracker device. Progeny's target market is 60 plus elderly who are staying alone and people in their mid-30s and late 40s who are staying away from their parents in India and abroad. We have subscription model and customizable packages. We plan to reach out to our customers through social media networks and by tying up to IT companies who sends their employee on site. Our competitive advantage is our focus on mental health with latest technology, and we plan to provide customer delight through constant human interaction. Progeny will have vendors and collaborators such as hospitals, medical shops, security management companies, doctors, caregivers, college students, etc. We will start with the services on mental health and scale up when the GPS band is ready. We plan to provide the services in Kolkata to the elderly people, and we would pitch our services for sales in Bangalore and Hyderabad and abroad to MNC and IT professionals. Initially, I plan to raise funds through pre-booking of the device and start with mental health services. But considering the prototype and the manufacturing cost, I would definitely require funding. I look forward to NSRCL's network support in reaching out to appropriate people and mentoring help to plan more concretely to start my venture. Thank you.